quick.
Hey, this is Connor. He's in between 2 and 4 years old. We've had him for a couple months. He's an awesome dog, as I'm sure you can already tell by his sunglasses. He's very obedient, very food motivated. I'm going to demonstrate for you some of the tricks in obedience that he knows. That way you know, as an adopter or potential adopter, what you can expect out of him obedience-wise. He's already in a sit, so I'm going to put him in a down. Connor, down. Good boy. Connor, wait. Connor, come. Good boy. He knows sit, he knows down, he knows the hand signals, he knows the verbal commands. Connor, shake. He knows some of the cooler tricks that we personally like to teach our dogs, like to play dead. I'll show you that one. Connor, bang. Good boy. Good boy. He knows speak. Connor, sit. Can you speak? Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Can you sit pretty? Sit pretty? Good boy. High five? Good boy. If you don't adopt this dog, you're going to be missing out. Sometimes we could get him to do I love you, and it could be something that you can work on with him to further develop your bond and relationship with him. Connor, I love you. Are you going to say it? I love you. I love you. I love you. Come on, buddy. I love you. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Adopt this dog.
That's great.
Thank you.